Everybody fucking jump!
All right, everybody, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get you guys a little bit of box action. Getting these shoes to wrap up my Cactus Jack collection, being that I just bought the last one. Hopefully they make no more Cactus Jack shoes. Let's get you guys a little bit of box action. Let's focus. This shoe reads the Air Trainer 1 CJ Light Chocolate Rust Pink, aka the Air Trainers Travis Scott Rust Pink, I believe. I'm going to try to take this shoe out, guys. This shoe has some crazy design elements, and so we're going to try to get it all on video. As you can see, this shoe comes wrapped in a bootie. Snaps on to the shoe, but you are able to remove it if you wish to have non-covered. I'm not going to take this full thing off. It's hard to get back on. I'll take it halfway off. So you guys can see the front of the shoe. Side view of the shoe. The materials on all here are all type jean material. This looks like a little bit of simulated pleather. Buckle is made of jean materials, all jean materials, and looks like cotton. But see on the back of the shoe, you get the Cactus Corporation logo. Like I said, same thing is on this side of the shoe as the other side of the shoe. I just don't want to take this thing off. Like I said, this thing is hard to get back on. But it covers the entire shoe, and it gives you instructions on how to take it off and put it back on. You also get an extra pair of black laces, brown reflective laces come in the shoe. Got a little bit of bottom look at the shoe. Bottom of the shoe is pretty good in my opinion. You shouldn't be sliding around or anything. You should be able to exercise and do all the stuff you have to do in this shoe. See, all brown Nike bottom with one pink Nike logo. So like that, you got the top of this shoe. See where the leather guard snaps back into the shoe. Like I said, light brown, dark brown, three different types of brown on this shoe. A little bit of pink. Got the brown Nike swoosh. Bring closer. I'll let you guys make out this shoe for yourselves. So you get a pocket on the back of the shoe with the Cactus Corporation logo. And I'm going to flip this. Extra pair of laces. You get this brown leathery material that covers the shoe. I'll give you guys a look at the covered up shoe in a second. This is the bottom of the shoe. And this is what the shoe would look like if everything was snapped on to it. So in case you want to keep that cover on your shoe, my dad likes it. He said he'd probably keep the cover. Guys, look what the shoe's going to look like on your foot or feet when you wear it. Covered. Uncovered. Let me know if you guys are going to leave the cover on this shoe or if you're going to take it off when you wear yours. Know what you guys think about these Cactus Jack Air Trainers or Bo Jacksons, whichever you prefer to call them. Let me know what shoes you guys are buying, the shoes what guys you want to see on the channel next. Everybody stay safe. Above all else, make sure you guys have a nice day. Thank you, shoe believers.
Everybody fucking jump!